BOYA Magic, AI-powered transformable wireless microphone. Comes in a nice wrapped case with a BOYA logo. Got QR codes that you can go online with easily. Instructions, safety guidelines, warranty card, quick startup guide. Zippered case, USB-C to USB-A cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, audio for the camera setup, a wind muff, nice built stand with the BOYA logo, ball head on it. BOYA feels nice. Got LED lights on the front to check the charge, I'm guessing. Got a 1/4 on the back for using it on a tripod or whatever stand you want, like this one here, the desktop stand. This is your USB receiver. Magnetically stays right there where you won't lose it. And it has a clicker button on the back and a clicker button on the side. We'll get into that. And it has this nice tinted window to look at right here. And under the tinted window, we have the two lavalier microphones, the two wireless mics, magnetically attached. Feels nice in the hand. Okay, so we got the wind muffs for each mic, and they kind of have a hard shell coating here. A hard shell snap-on coating, that is, and then with a hole for the button, so you just snap them on like that. The camera receiver, the BOYA logo. We have 2 buttons. We have 3 LEDs. We have a USB-C on one side, and we have the headphone jack, microphone jack, TRS right there, plugs in like that. And one more bag. And this must be the Lightning. So this is the Lightning if you're using iPhones. And the other one is the USB-C, which that's the one I'll be using. My first thought when I saw these online is, will it fit with a case? Well, it snaps in and it lights up. Okay, this is a test of the BOYA Magic. This is going through the Sony ZV-E10 with the remote receiver over there on the camera, turned down to 1 LED. There is a setting for 1 LED, 2 LED, 3 LEDs for your gain, and I turned it down to see because it was really loud on my last test. We are going to switch over now into the housing. Audio check 1, 2, 3. This audio check is with the desktop mic, probably 18 inches. I noticed I had to turn the gain up the receiver, 2 LEDs out of 3, and we are checking the gain on this microphone. These lights here that are blinking, those are your transmitter lights. When your transmitter is connected, they will be solid. One would be microphone 1, one would be microphone 2. This button here is going to adjust your levels going into the camera. So you press it once and it shows your level. Now I'm on level 1. So you press it once, it lights up. Press it again, you go to level 2. Press it again, you go to level 3. And let's go. Audio check 1, 2, 3. This is the BOYA Magic. We are now walking to the other side of the pool and checking the audio while my back is turned. There won't be any breakups. It works really well. So we are looking back over there at the table, and we're going to have to check out the audio when I get back to the computer. But all in all, we are using the remote wireless, and we are not using the AI noise cancellation. Now I have construction going on across the canal way over there, and I'm going to turn on noise cancellation. 1, 2, 3. Noise cancellation should be on. We should have very quiet with good audio. Oh, I see some wildlife out in the canal there. It's a beautiful morning. Construction workers have their sound system going on over there. I can hear their music, which makes it very hard to record. We got some wildlife right here on the lanai, and he's upset. He's in a hurry. This is going to really increase my record time because you come out here and you got airplanes going by, you got music across the canal, music and construction and all that good stuff going on, when all in all you can just hit noise reduction and it all goes away. The AI noise reduction is outstanding. That's the good word that I would put to it, outstanding. Now I just turned off AI noise reduction. We're going back to straight sound, which the audio sound is very nice. It is very nice. I really like the quality sound of it, and I'm liking it. I'm liking this kit. This kit is really handy for somebody like me or somebody like you. I want to thank BOYA for sending it over. It really works well. You store your receiver right here for your phone. So here is a receiver right here. Look how small it is. Now my other receiver for my other brand wireless microphones is too big and it weighs down the gimbal. Now I want to show you that you can even run this in vertical mode and it clears right here. It clears the gimbal. So that to me is a big win-win. Microphone for interviews and for tabletop, for Zoom calls, whatever you would like it to be for. It's such a handy setup. So this is a vlogging setup with the mic mounted on my ZVE10 with the ball mount. You can set it up like that. You can do your vlogs however you want to shoot your video, but if you wanted on-camera sound, audio, you have it right there. Now I'm using both the on-camera sound and I'm also using the lavalier, the remote transmitter. Good sound. We're looking at the BOYA Magic, one device in 4 forms. The mic adapts to 4 different scenarios. It's either a lavalier mic, a desktop mic, or an on-camera mic, or an interview mic. It has AI noise cancellation. It intelligently detects and suppresses noise without vocal distortion. It's ultra compact. The microphone transmitters are 13 millimeters thin and weigh just 7 grams. It is lightweight, discreet, and close friendly. It has a clip on and a magnet to attach to close. True AI noise cancellation trained on 700,000 plus noise samples, up to minus 40 decibels. It produces studio grade sound at 48 kilohertz, 24 bits. It's got an 80 decibel signal to noise ratio with a 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz range. It has dual audio protection, smart limiter, and safety track. The charge case has direct control via a button. Press a button on the case and start your recording. It has auto pairing, plug and play. With the BOYA Central app, you can adjust the AI noise cancellation, adjust custom EQ, mic settings right from your phone with the BOYA Central app. Open up the BOYA app. So the BOYA Central app right here. Allow BOYA Central to access the BOYA Magic. Yes, okay. The BOYA is connected. Let's see, we'll touch on that. It found it and it is connected. And let's go to the BOYA. So now we're looking at a single microphone that I have on, one transmitter only. We are in strong. So if you look at the app, you have your transmitter showing 1. It shows a full battery charge and it's showing a good signal. It's also showing the sound level. The output gain is set to 2, so it's in the middle between 1 and 2. We also have AI turned on, and we're at a strong negative 40 decibel AI noise cancellation level, and we are in stereo mode. So we are going to take it out of stereo mode and go to mono mode. We are now in mono mode, and now we have sound on both sides, left and right. In the mono mode, we have safety track turned off. Now you could turn safety track on. Now we turned it on and you see that the right side shows a lower level than the left side. So we're going to turn that back off, and you have transmitter mute if you wanted to turn off the transmitter for whatever reason, if you didn't want it recording. You have EQ, so you have custom EQ. You have a low cut filter of 150, a low cut 75 hertz, a vocal boost, an original, and a custom EQ. So you can go into the custom EQ and you can set it however you want to set it, which is really cool. You have a transmit indicator. You can turn it on or turn it off. Transmit auto off. So I guess, let's see, we hit that. It says if transmitter isn't recording and not connected with the RX, within 10 minutes it powers off. So you don't have to worry about it. If you're forgetting it, it will turn itself off. And you have a speaker mode. Now speaker mode, I believe I have mine turned on so that you can do a replay on your phone and it will not kill the speaker, since it's taking the spot of a speaker when it's plugged into the connection.